one's fixed. Look, it's just shredded itself. Part of that is from us pulling it forward. Oh god.
Got a spare. Oh, nice. Hey, mate.
Hey.
Hey, Jack. You got a jack? Good boy. Got a car?
A jack? Yeah,
you do? Oh, man, thank you. How you boys doing? Oh, thank you. Good as new?
Yep.
Ah, we're sorted.
Where's the keys?
No more punches.
Where's
please.
the keys?
Thanks, Will.
Where's the keys? Right here.
Well, I swear, one time I'm gonna kill you, like really. Like you said, where's the keys? Before you look at for the keys, you know?
Yeah.
Where's my bottle? Where's my bottle? You do this, I'm gonna take my bottle and dip inside your ear. Ah!
We're gonna die. Hey, it's too dark. We're gonna get hit by kangaroos. So sketchy. We just literally gone down this path and there was like this 8-foot kangaroo just looking at us. Doesn't sound like scary, but everybody we talk to tells us do not drive at night.
Like Will, get smashed by a shark. Yeah, yeah.
You're actually serious right now. We're filling a hot water tank in the McDonald's bathroom. But what are you going to do when you go out when it's like 800 million tonnes? It's going to be so heavy. It's like I open the door in the car so you can literally just chuck in and we just drive.
I can't imagine. You just... It's in the middle of nowhere. Woo. Sick. What you doing, man? Oh, that was sick. That was so sick. Slippery slide, yo! Painting's right, let's go, let's go.
Yeah.
So what's happened here is I've gone and bought a new GoPro because we need it for filming and we need, yeah.
I told you you'd come back with a bag. Right, so Bob's gone and bought one as well.
Change! Yes!
You can't deal with it not changing it.
Change it!
Ah, this is going to be a big barricade. Yep, rabbit! Why is it changing now?
This is not good.
Okay. It's leaking something.
When this is fixed and we're done, we're going to case it.
So as you know, we're travelling from Sydney, Australia, all the way to the west coast, through Perth, up north. Just under halfway, very south Australia, pretty much in the middle, near the city of Adelaide. We're going to explain what's actually going on, because we've been here for quite a while now. You guys probably don't even know why we're here.
So first off, we had a little issue with our car. Got a mechanic to have a look at it, and he pulled one little screw that was not screwed in tight enough. He said, yeah, that's it, you're good to go. So we set off. About 100 metres up the road, all transmission fluid drained out again.
This car we brought, we thought it was a really good deal. I brought it. Will wasn't a part of buying the car, so this one's on me really. I brought a friend with me to double check I'm not getting screwed over, and so we bought a car for $5,000 Australian dollars. Big, you know, big 4x4, big truck, new engine. I thought it was reliable. it should have broken down when we came out of the workshop, honestly.
And the thing is the car he was looking at is probably worth as much as he paid for it, in the condition that the guy said it was in. He said it had a green slip, he said it had a new engine and all this stuff. The green slip is where it's failed, because basically we've got this green slip, which means it's road legal, roadworthy, and it's got all these things that work. But I mean, the exhaust is hanging off it. Like, there's a lot of issues that we'll talk about later.
So now we're in this hotel, which we've got the insurance to pay for, which is pretty good, but we're pulling our hair out. We want to leave. So we're with these top blokes at the mechanic. They're sorting us out. This guy called Tim. He's like the nicest guy. He gave us his personal car, just over there, which is a beast. He's fighting this case because obviously the dealer should not have sold us his car, and it's kind of illegal what he did.
So basically, our plan was to try and get all the money back that we paid for the car, so the whole £5 back, due to the fact that selling this car would be illegal and he shouldn't have sold us this car, and we really got done over. This nice guy called Tim and his wife Vanessa are really helping us out and trying to chase them down and basically get the best result for us, because they're just genuinely nice people. We found another car that we were going to buy, and we've had a look at it and it's so nice, but the only thing is we have to stay here for another like 5-6 days until we get the money back for the other car. So we just got in the car, all of us. We just got a call from Tiny Tim and he said come down because we need to chat. So we don't know what that means. That could be, it could either mean Scott's giving us all the money back, or Scott's never going to give all the money back. Oh,
Red light, get out.
I'm running. Oh, the door's open, I can't go in the other door. Go. Green! Nicely done. Just arrived at RH Automotives. So, Tiny Tim's called us in, so I don't know what for. We're about to find out. Right, let's go.
Hello.
Hey.
How you going, boys?
Good.
We've got terrible news from West in Sydney, and me and Vanessa have already started the legal side. What me and Vanessa have done is we've bought the Prado. We're giving it to you guys to go to Perth in. What? And we've got a really good friend of ours that Vanessa grew up with, and Debbie will drop you back off at the
That is amazing. Oh man, you've made me very happy.
So you boys can leave tomorrow. We've only done this for you guys, and it's, we just want to see you get through, you know, and go from Australia with a happy face.
Yeah. RAA did you a favour and bringing it here, I think.
Thank you so much. You guys are absolutely great.
I'm so gassed. Ah! So that means we've got one more morning of nicking lunch from the... That's true. We were in Sydney, got rotten luck with our dealer. When things went to absolute we hit the best people on planet Earth, honestly.
I'm going to explain what's just happened in case you didn't get what we just filmed, but basically they've said they're going to buy the car that we were thinking about buying for us.
And we're leaving tomorrow! Ah, yes! It is! We're leaving tomorrow! Massive shout out to RH Automotives and
everybody there. Tim and Vanessa, thank you so much.
Best mechanics in the whole of Australia.
We've got 4 hours outside of Whyalla and we've broken down again.
Overheated.
In the middle of nowhere. Again.
We're now towing from Kimber to Whyalla, just the two small towns we broke down from, back to the workshop, which we've been at the last 8 days.
Decided that Whyalla is Hotel California. You can check it out anytime you like, but you can never f***ing leave.
Give me Smurfy!
Everyone's getting a little bit aggravated. Dude, we're going, boys, we're going. Pay attention.
Got to concentrate.
Actually, gotta concentrate.
We're home!
Back in Whyalla.
Yay! My favourite place!
We've actually driven here pretty chill, actually, which is good. So we fixed the crack in the head gasket, but we haven't fixed the radiator yet. So we're gonna have to take the radiator out, and we need to fix a.
We're still pulling the whole head apart though.
Yeah.
Because we're not sure if it's fully fixed.
Yeah, but we got some good news, but we'll talk about that later.